Welcome to the VHF UHF channel, and this is a little video to help you understand how you can actually start in the hobby of radio scanner listening without having to spend a lot of money. Now, if you remember, there were all these, radio scanners you could buy, and the programmable scanners and wideband receivers, and basically the more features you have, the more it's expensive. And you know what? There's an easy way to get into the hobby for real cheap, and this is one. You see this little dongle? Now this is Canadian dollars, so it's not even 10 US dollars. You can buy one of these little sticks on eBay. It's made for digital TV, but there's a little catch, there's a little hack that you can do, and it's very easy, and I'll be posting videos on this channel to show you how to do so. How to install this and have a wideband receiver. It becomes basically about 50, 20, probably 30 megahertz up to 1 point something gigahertz, depending on the models, wideband receiver. This is the cheapest you can start with the hobby. What's the difference? This is a radio. So basically, even though it's made for TV, a TV is basically a radio, and that's why it has an antenna here, what you see here on the left. Now, this with a special driver and software like SDR Sharp or HDSDR becomes basically a radio scanner, or what some call a police scanner. A wideband receiver that will let you listen to all sorts of signals. What's even better, for this cheap, you get even more possibilities than a scanner that will be, several $100s. And the only drawback is you need to use a computer to have it working. But if you don't mind that, and even if you love computers, well, you know what? This is cool because you'll be not only using computers, but adding the radio technology side to it. And, some people say this isn't a radio. It is. It has an antenna and it does receive frequencies. It's just that think of this as being a radio that you took out the controls and the display. And the controls and the display are your computer. Another, if you want to spend a little more, and I would say it's better off if you want to start, you can also get something called the Soft 66 RTL. This one is a little more expensive, but it is basically the same basic dongle that you see here, but they've added another part to it, an up converter. Why? Because it extends the range even more. Instead of starting at 30 megahertz up the way to say 1.5 gigahertz, it now adds the shortwave and the medium wave AM band. So you can listen to shortwave signals. Boosts the price to about $40, but you know what? It probably is worth it. And if you can, reach up to $40, it's really cool. You also have the one for $36 that has no outside box. This is the one I have, where you have a VHF and an HF socket here. So you can start the hobby real cheap, and of course continue to watch our videos, because basically what's going to happen, we will show you how to set it up. We will show you how to set up the software, and you'll see it's pretty easy to use, and you'll have tons of fun. And of course, I'll be posting lots of videos to help you if you can. So hope you enjoy the videos. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.